morning, where we are going to discuss the board questions of the chapter 7B. So, in the last video we have seen that we have discussed the question up to the 2013 and now we take the 2014. So, just to take your book, page number 180, 2014, first question. Fill in the blanks from the choices during bracket. Ammonia gas is collected. It is given options. So, downward displacement of A. Downward displacement of A. So, ammonia gas is collected by the downward displacement of A. This second question is not in the syllabus. Now, third one. Distinguish between the following pair of compounds. The test given in bracket. So, first of all, given that iron second sulfate and iron third sulfate using ammonium hydroxide. This iron second sulfate and iron third sulfate using ammonium hydroxide. So just to see, when ammonium hydroxide solution is added in iron second sulfate, dirty green precipitate is formed, and in iron third sulfate, reddish brown precipitate is formed. So when ammonium hydroxide solution is added in iron second sulfate, dirty green precipitate is formed, and in iron third sulfate, reddish brown precipitate is formed. Reddish brown precipitate is formed. Such questions are important because in 2000 this 20 is going on, 2019 also they have asked such questions. Then second one is given a lead salt and zinc salt. A lead salt and zinc salt. A lead salt and zinc salt using ammonium hydroxide. So here just to see, when ammonium hydroxide is added in lead salt, chalky white precipitate is formed. It is insoluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. In zinc sulfate, gelatinous white precipitate is formed. It is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide, changes to colorless. So you can write the answer. When ammonium hydroxide solution is added in lead salt solution, a chalky white precipitate is formed. It is insoluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Then for for zinc salt when ammonium hydroxide solution is added in zinc salt solution in zinc salt solution, a gelatinous white precipitate is formed. Gelatinous white precipitate is formed. It is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. It is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide changes to colorless. When ammonium hydroxide solution is added in zinc salt solution, a gelatinous white precipitate is formed. It is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide changes to colorless. So now this 2014 third question is over. Now the fourth one. What is given? State what you observe when calcium hydroxide is heated with ammonium chloride. So just to see ammonia gas is released, but we have to write the test for ammonia because they are asking the observation. So a colorless gas is released. It gives a dense white film with a glass rod dipped in concentrated SC. A colorless gas is released. A colorless gas is released. It gives a dense white fume. It gives a dense white fumes with a glass rod dipped in concentrate SC. Now the fifth one. Name the other ion form when ammonia dissolved in water. Give one test to use. So other ion, just to see, when ammonia dissolved in water, this will form ammonium hydroxide. And ammonium hydroxide dissociate to give ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. So your answer is there, hydroxyl ion. Then they are asking the test for hydroxyl ion. So test for hydroxyl ion that we studied in chapter 3A. In the properties of alkalis, so we can take copper sulfate with ammonium hydroxide. This will form ammonium sulfate and copper hydroxide. This can be given as a test for hydroxyl ion. And if you are thinking where it is given in your book, so just you go through the chapter 3A, page number 44. It is given chemical test of bases. Along with that, it is given test for hydroxyl ion. Just you see the below many questions are given. Anyone can be used. So I have written with ammonium hydroxide. In your book it is written sodium hydroxide. So anyone can be used. Now the sixth question of 2014. State the compound required for state the conditions required for the catalytic oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. So condition is platinum and temperature is 800 degrees Celsius. Reaction, if you want you can write that combined with oxygen form nitric oxide and water vapor. The catalyst is platinum and temperature is 800 degrees Celsius. This reaction is not balanced. You have to balance this equation. So how we can balance it? Just you see, it is very easy to balance. Nitrogen here, one atom, hydrogen 3 here, there 2, make it 3 by 2. Now oxygen 3 by 1 plus 1, 5 by 2, so you make it here 5 by 4, now 5 by 2 only. You can multiply by 4, 4 NH3 plus 5 O2, it gives 4 NO plus 6 H2. This reaction is exothermic, this platinum and 800 degrees Celsius. So this is the starting of the post-war process. So 2014 over, now 2015. Now we will take 2015. So 2015, that first question, 2015, first question, what is given, just to go through. From the list of the gases, ammonia, ethane, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen sulfide, ethane, select the gas which is used as a reducing agent, reduce copper oxide to copper. So ammonia is there. You study that reducing agent of ammonia. Second one, state one relevant observation. Ammonia gas is burned in atmosphere of excess oxygen. Ammonia burns with green flame. Ammonia burns with green or greenish yellow flame. Greenish yellow flame. Then third one, what is given? A metal X has valency 2, a non-metal has valency 3. Y is diagonal. So this is X and Y. Y is diagonal. So that's why we write in the form of Y2. Y is diatomic. Write an equation for the direct combination of X and Y to form the compound. So what compound they will form? This X valency is plus 2, Y valency is minus 3. Cross the valencies. The compound will be X3Y2. So write here X3Y2. So Y2 atoms X3 multiplied by, now the next one. So now the fourth question, what is given? Give balanced chemical equation, lab preparation of ammonia using ammonium salt. So lab preparation of ammonia, we are using ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. Only these two compounds are used. So this will form calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Then second one, fourth one, second, reaction of ammonia with excess chlorine. So NH3 with 3Cl2, it will form NCl3 plus 3HCl. Then third one, reaction of ammonia with sulfuric acid. So this ammonia plus H2SO4, this will form ammonium sulfate. So 2015, that fourth question, all the three parts are over. Now 2016, we will take 2016 up to 2015, we So 2016 first question. Write balance equation. First one given action of warm water or ammonium nitrate, that is not in the syllabus. Second one, that excess ammonia reacts with chlorine. So 8NH3 react with 3 molecule of chlorine form 6NH4Cl plus En2. So this excess ammonia is there. Now 2016 third one, an equation to illustrate reducing nature of ammonia. So 3Cu plus 2NH3, it gives 3Cu 3H2O plus En2. So this first question is over. Now the second question. Make the gas evolve when the following mixtures are heated. First one is given calcium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. So ammonia will be there. Second, sodium nitrite and ammonium chloride. So this sodium nitrite, nitrogen will be there. How? Just to see, sodium nitrite and ammonium chloride. This will form NaCl and ammonium nitrate. This ammonium nitrite is unstable compound, and ammonium nitrite decomposed to be nitrogen and 2 water. So they are asking which gas. Your answer is nitrogen. That's written nitrogen here. 2016 over. Now 2017. Now we will take the 2017. So 2017, just you go through your book, see the questions. 2017. First one, what is given? Write a balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Reaction of ammonia with heated copper oxide. Just to see, it is very important. That 3Cu plus 2NH3, it gives 3Cu plus 3H2O plus En2. Second one, 2017. Second one, laboratory preparation of ammonia from ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride react with calcium hydroxide. This will form calcium chloride, water and ammonia. This reaction is also very important. 2017 first one. So first one is over. Now the second one. What is asked? State one relevant observation for the following. Burning of ammonia in air. It is given burning of ammonia in air. Just you write oxygen, because air this will not burn. So green flame. Green flame. When ammonia burn in oxygen, you are getting the green flame. Green flame is C. Then third one. Certain blank spaces are given. C, D, E. Identify them. So lab preparation of ammonia, reactants used. This also out of syllabus is there, because they have given this magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. So it is prepared by magnesium nitride. So not in the syllabus, that they have cut from the syllabus. Now the fourth one, give balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Catalytic oxidation of ammonia. So this catalytic oxidation of ammonia, you have seen this also very important reaction. That platinum 800 degrees Celsius form nitric oxide and water vapor. It is not balanced. Nitrogen 1, hydrogen 3, 3 by 2, oxygen 1 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. We can multiply here 5 by 4. Now this reaction is balanced. delta. This platinum 800 degrees Celsius. Now the second one, 2017 fourth, second part, reaction of ammonia with nitric acid. So very simple. Ammonia react with nitric acid. This will form ammonium nitrate. Utilization you study. So 2017 over. Now 2018. Now we will take the 2018. So 2018. First question, 2018. Write balanced chemical equation to prepare ammonia gas in laboratory by using alkali. So they say ammonium chloride heated with alkali form calcium chloride, 2 water and 2 molecule of ammonia. Now the second one, 2018. Give reason why the concentrate sulfuric is not used for drying ammonia. Because this concentrate sulfuric acid being acidic in nature, it reacts with ammonia gas to form ammonium sulfate. That's why we don't mix. And 2018, then next one is given. Ammonia gas is not collected over water because ammonia is highly soluble in water. That's why it is not preferred. Now 2019. First question. Fill in the blanks with the choices. Ammonia reacts with excess chlorine to form nitrogen trichloride. With nitrogen trichloride. This option is given in your question. Then second one. State one observation for the following. Ammonia gas is passed over heated copper oxide. So black copper oxide is reduced to brown copper. Mark will be given on brown and black, not the name of the compound. Then third one, 2019, third one, identify the substance catalyzed, the catalyst used in oxidized ammonia. So catalyst is platinum. And now the fourth one, name the gas evolved when ammonia reacts with heated copper oxide. So released gas is nitrogen. Because you have seen that this one has to see this nitrogen is there. Now the fifth one, that magnesium nitride to study the following given chart. So with fifth one, so the fifth one, something is not in the syllabus and something is in syllabus. What is in the syllabus that you can write? So for the fifth one, they are asking study the flow chart given and give the balance equation to represent ABC. So magnesium nitride to ammonia, that is not in the syllabus. But this B, ammonia to ammonium chloride, that you can write, and H3 plus HCl, that will give ammonium chloride. Then C, ammonium chloride to ammonia, that also you can write laboratory preparation. Ammonium chloride react with calcium hydroxide. This will form calcium chloride, water and ammonia. So now the sixth one, copy and complete the following table. Refers to the industrial method preparation of ammonia. So name the compound ammonia, name the process, Haber's process. Haber's process. Then electric equation. So this equation N2 plus 3S2, it gives 2NS2. So now all the board questions are over. Now we will take additional question no need to solve because they are given the lengthy answers. Now you take the unit test, page number 182. So take your book and take the page number 182, unit test paper. Here the questions are given, short questions are given, short answers. So such questions are asked in board paper. So that's why I suggest you can solve the unit test paper. It will be useful for you. So unit test 7B, first question first part. That choose the letter corresponding to the correct answer. A, nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide, nitrogen nitrous oxide. The gas obtained, dry ammonia and dry oxygen are bound together. So the first one, nitrogen gas. Second one, ammonia is fast heated litharge. Litharge is lead oxide. So again you will get nitrogen gas. Third, greenish yellow gas reacts with excess ammonia. This chlorine reacts with excess ammonia. Then also you will get nitrogen. Then fourth, dry ammonia oxygen passed over heated platinum. So nitric oxide. Then fifth one, in the nitric oxide, A and B is also given. The gaseous product obtained is further oxidized. So this nitric oxide is oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. Ammonium nitrite undergoes thermal decomposition. So nitrogen. So this is the question number 1. Now the question number 2. State the color. Phenolphthalein solution after passes through ammonia through it. So what color you will get? Pink color because ammonia basic. Then second one, copper sodium hydroxide solution passed. Addition of ammonia hydroxide in excess. So inky blue solutions. Inky blue or deep blue solution is obtained. Then third one, the flame obtained on burning dry ammonia and oxygen, green flame. Green flame. Then fourth, the solution obtained on addition of excess ammonium hydroxide to zinc sulfate, colorless. Colorless. Then fifth, the vapors obtained when ammonia oxygen mixture is passed over heated platinum. The vapors obtained when ammonia gas mixture is passed over heated platinum. This is colorless. Colorless because nitric oxide and water vapor are there. So both are colorless. Then question number 3. Question number 3, if the balance equation A, B, C, D. So first A. What is the A conversion? Ammonium hydroxide to ammonium sulfate. So ammonium hydroxide reacts with H2SO4. This will form ammonium sulfate and what? Then B, ammonium sulfate to ammonia. So ammonium sulfate react with sodium hydroxide in alkali this will form sodium sulfate, water and ammonia. Now the C, for the second one C, ammonia to ammonium chloride and CBE are the three different gases. So ammonia 8NH3 plus 3Cl2, it gives 6NH4Cl plus N2. So ammonia to ammonium chloride, then D, ammonia to ammonium chloride, so NH3 plus HCl, this will form ammonium chloride. In different gases you are getting chlorine, HCl, then ammonia to nitrogen, that is ammonia combined with oxygen form nitrogen and water, but it not balanced. Nitrogen 2, hydrogen 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 3 here 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. So when it is multiplied by 2, so 4NH3 plus 3O2, it gives 2N2 plus 6H2. That is balanced. So all the equations are given. Now the question number 4. So question number 4. Question number 4, give the reason. Question number 4, give the reasons. Give the reasons for the following. An aqueous solution of ammonia acts as a weak base. What is the reason? Ammonium hydroxide partially dissociates to produce low concentration of hydroxyl ions. That's why it is weak base. Next, the mixture of ammonium nitrate and select are not used for preparation of ammonia because ammonium nitrate is explosive. It decomposes to give nitrous oxide and water vapor. So that's why it is not used. Now the third one, finely divided iron catalyst does not affect the percentage yield of ammonia in Harris process because catalyst is not the part of reaction. They only accelerate the reaction. They are not the part of the reaction. Then fourth one, ammonium salts are formed when ammonia reacts with dilute acids in the gaseous or aqueous solution due to neutralization because of neutralization reaction. Ammonia is basic and acids are acidic in nature. Now the fifth one, that aqueous solution of lead and zinc nitrate can be distinguished using aqueous ammonia hydroxide because this lead salt will give chalky white precipitate. It is insoluble in excess ammonium hydroxide, and zinc nitrate will give gelatinous white precipitate. It is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. So I will write here this fifth one. It is important question. Such questions we have seen in board paper. They have asked in your unit test also. It is given. So such questions are will be in most important category. At your time, such questions will be asked in board paper. So what is given? Aqueous solution of lead and zinc nitrate can be distinguished using ammonium hydroxide. Ammonia. So when ammonia gas is part chalky white precipitate is formed, it is insoluble in excess ammonia and zinc nitrate. When ammonia gas is passed in zinc nitrate solution, gelatinous white precipitate is formed. Gelatinous white precipitate is formed. It is soluble in excess ammonia, changes to colorless. So very important question that you keep it most important category in your time you may be there. So now this question number 4 is over. Now question number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So complete the following by selecting the correct word. The salt solution which does not give insoluble precipitate. Here is sodium nitrate. If you read the page number, it is good. Then the alkaline behavior of liquor ammonia due to presence of hydroxyline. Then ammonia within liquefied form is neutral. No color change will be there because ionization does not take place. Ammonia reduces chlorine to hydrogen chloride. Then the chemical not responsible for ozone depletion, that ammonia. Now the question number 6. The last question. Question number 6. Question number 6 was you select the most probable substances A, B, C, D, E which need add to the distinct list. So ammonium sulfate and ammonium chloride. So here anions are different. So C, barium chloride. In the first one, C will be there. Just to see when you add the barium chloride in ammonium sulfate, white precipitate is formed, but in ammonium chloride, no precipitate is formed. For the second one, that potassium sulfate and ammonium sulfate. So one is ammonium, other one is non-ammonium. So you can heat with alkali. So in ammonium sulfate, ammonia gas is released. So E is given, that sodium hydroxide. So E you can use sodium hydroxide. So when you heat potassium sulfate with sodium hydroxide, no gas is released. But in ammonium sulfate, a colorless gas is released. It gives a dense white fume. Glass wall will print concentrate SC. Liquor ammonia and liquid ammonia. Liquor ammonia is basic and liquid ammonia is neutral. So D, phenolphthalein can be used. So when the phenolphthalein is added in liquor ammonia, that pink color you will get in liquid ammonia no color. Then ammonia and sulfur dioxide gas, A concentrate hydrochloric acid. Ammonia will give the dense white fume, but sulfur dioxide will not give the dense white fume. So A, copper second oxide and copper second chloride B, ammonia gas. When ammonia gas is passed on heated copper oxide, then copper oxide reduced to brown copper. And when ammonia is passed in copper second chloride solution, then you are getting the pale blue. In excess it is deep blue. So ammonia can be used. So for the fifth one, then D. So just to see all the answers are given. So this chapter is complete and I suggest you read the chapter properly, then solve the board question and this unit test. In the next video, we will study nitric acid.